Hello everybody and welcome to another demo. In this demo, I'm going to show you how to use Big English 1. First thing you'll do is you will get a link on where to download it sent via email. It will be in a Google Drive and you will need to download it. The file is quite big. If I show you here, okay, it is 842 megabytes. All right. So once you have downloaded the file from your email, from the link that we send you, you will have a folder like this. Okay. You might have to extract it if it is a zipped folder. Okay. And once you have it, if you double click it and go inside, it will look something like this. Okay. You have data, install, Pearson, stat, Linux, stat, PC. All right. Now, this tutorial will be based on a Windows computer. Okay. The first thing you want to do is click Start PC. You don't need to install it unless you really want to install it onto your computer, which is fine. Okay. However, you can just run it straight from the folder. So if I click Start PC, you will see it will pop up like this. All right. Now I'm going to go ahead and maximize the window. All right, this is a little intro. You don't need to wait for it, so just click anywhere on the screen and it takes you to the loading page. You don't want to click Save My Work, so just click Don't Save My Work. All right, now once you're ready, you can see it says Big English Level 1 Start. Okay, if I click Start, it's basically a book, an ebook on the screen. Okay. So I can click through to see all the different pages in the book. I can go back to the title page. I can click the table of contents. If I wanted to go on the table of contents, I just click it. And as you can see, it's nice and big. You can also click on these, any of these, to go to a particular unit. Or, if you'd like, at the bottom here, it says this little button, go up level. It just takes you back to the menu. Okay. Now if we start on Unit 1 over here, go ahead and click it so it's a big screen. The students will also have a student book and a workbook. This is the student book that we are using. The workbook you can use for homework, or you can use it in some of your lessons if you need to do some activities. All right. Now, the setup for each unit is pretty much the same. It always starts off with a little song, and then you've got some vocabulary, and then some activities. Okay. You do have some tools over here. Okay, as you can see, there are 3 main tools that you want to use. Zoom has all the tools you need to use, like drawing, circling, things like that. Okay. If you wanted to zoom in on a particular thing here, like the writing, you can click the zoom tool, zoom in. If I click it again, it zooms me out. So you only have 2 options, zoom in, zoom out. Okay. Now, remember, you need to get off this tool. Otherwise, it's just going to keep zooming in everywhere. So you need to go back to the hand if you've zoomed in. You need to click the hand that you can move the page. Just click anywhere on the page and drag. Click anywhere and drag. Okay. Zoom out. Select the mouse tool. Okay. If I go ahead and click here, it says listen and read. It will take me to just that particular activity on the page. Okay, so this is activity 1. Here we go. We have a song. Okay. And I can click this button here at the top here to play. Okay. And the cool thing about this is if I click this little box here, I've got the lyrics to every audio. Okay. I can click on a particular point to replay something. If I ask them a question, what did they say here? What does this say? Listen carefully, play it again. Okay. And then I can click out. Okay. All right. Now if you want them to sing, you just do this one. it plays just the instrumental, and then the kids can actually try and sing. Not all students like to sing, so it is by preference. Just see which students want to sing and which don't. Okay. If they don't want to sing, then I usually get them to read. So I'll get them to read here. If I've got 3 students, it's perfect. I've got 3 paragraphs. 1, 2, 3. Each student will do 1 paragraph. Okay. To get out of this, just go up a level, and it takes me back to the page. Okay. If I need to go to another page, I use these toggle buttons, left and right, to turn the pages. Turn left to go back, right to go to the next page. Okay. Now, almost all the activities have some sort of audio, and you can see when they have an audio. Okay. They tell you here when they've got an audio. Okay. If I click on them again to take me inside, I can play the audio, get them to repeat, or I can do things like cover the words. Okay. Next point, sometimes there's a game, as you can see down here. Okay, this is just your normal X and O, or noughts and crosses. Okay, you can get them to say a sentence like, "It's a crayon." What's this? It's a crayon. Okay, so you want to choose crayon. All right, your crosses. Okay, there we go. So you select it and choose. Select it and choose. Select it and choose. Okay, and that way you can play noughts and crosses. You can reset it, okay, to mix them up again. And to go back to the page, go up a level. All right. Every unit usually has 1 or 2 videos. As you can see at the top here, okay, if you look around here, you can see a little video button. If I click that, a video will play, which the students will be able to listen. They'll also be able to follow the on-screen lyrics. Okay. You can maximize it so that they can see it. And a video is usually about 3 minutes long. You can pause it at any time, ask them questions about certain things, okay? So that we are being active. We don't want to just really sit back and let them watch for 3 minutes in silence. Try to be quite creative with it. You can ask about what's the girl holding, what are they doing, where are they, things like that. Okay, so I'm going to get out of this. All right. Here we have a little story that they will read. Okay, again, if I click it, it zooms it in. Okay, if it's still too small and the students are using your screen to read, okay, use the zoom button here to zoom in, and the hand to move around. Okay, and to zoom out, just choose the zoom control again and zoom out and click the pointer so that you're off the controllers. All right. Now, you can even do something like here where they have to color. Okay, you can ask the students if they have their color pencils. I usually use the zoom controls, okay, not this zoom magnifying glass. I use the zoom controls to color in, okay, and I'll tell them what to color certain things. I might say, all right, I want a green pen, and then I will check to see that they're coloring it in green, okay, and then I'll get them to repeat. What's number 1? It's a green pen. Okay, all right, go out, and you can see it's very, very easy. You follow the prompts, listen and say. Work with a partner if you have a group. Role play. Change the names. If it says Linda and Bobby and you have 2 students, okay, maybe you have Abby and Tivida, you can change the student's name to Abby and Tivida. Abby, you're the girl. Tivida, you're the boy. Okay, get them to role play. All right. Here they have, it says listen and stick. Okay, they will have some stickers in the back of their book. So you can say, all right, we're going to get the stickers. You might have a sticker next to you to use as an example. If you don't know how to explain it, you can use Google Images to show them pictures of stickers, okay, and then tell them, look in your book. Look at the back of your book. You'll see some stickers. Okay, and then they will have to stick the stickers, okay, over here. Okay. All right, so I'm using these tools just to show you an example. All right, now let's get off of this. Okay, and at the end of the pages, you can see there's quite a few activities to do. There's lots of coloring and drawing, okay, for this particular level. All right, just follow the on-screen prompts, listen and point, then sing, write, spell your name. Okay, it's quite easy. And for a 30-minute lesson, you don't want to do things too quickly. Okay, there's only so many pages in each unit, and you don't want to do one unit per 30-minute lesson. So pace yourself. I usually do about 4 pages for 30 minutes. Okay, I have lots to talk about. I can ask them about their backpacks, what color their backpack is. I can ask them like how many pens they have. Okay, 30 minutes you could spend on these 2 pages or even these 4 pages. Okay, that should be plenty of time. All right, and just look on the screen for prompts, what they say. And each of these blue heading prompts you can click. Okay, all right, you can tell the students to turn to their page number in the book by telling them the page number. At the bottom we have some tools. Okay, some buttons here. There's a help, okay, if you need a help, all right, which opens in a PDF. We don't really need that. You can have a look at it if you want, okay, for some extra information on how to use the tools on this particular ebook, okay. However, just have a look at it, browse through. It's pretty basic. Okay, so I'm going to go back to here. All right. You have songs and chants for each unit. So if you want to go over a song again for each unit, you're welcome to do that. Some of the students like the songs and they'll want to sing them again, okay? Especially if you have some girls in your lesson, they might love singing. So you can do these over again and have fun with the kids. There are also some picture cards, okay, for each unit, as you can see here. I've clicked picture cards. Unit 1, Unit 2, okay, Unit 3, and these you can flip them around or play the audio, okay. All right, there are so many things you can do. You can show all, switch the sides so that they're all pictures, okay, and you can make it bigger. There we go. It's very, very easy, very, very simple, okay. Video, it's got videos for each unit. So if you've forgotten to play a video, you can just do it anytime again after the unit. Okay. If you can't find the video at the top of the screen, you can use these buttons here to find a video. So each unit has 2 videos. Okay. A little documentary and a little dramatic segment. Okay. You also have some resources. Okay. Video guides or anything you need to check here, and a toolbox. Things such as a stopwatch, okay, which maybe you might want to use while you're doing a game in the class, okay. There are also scorecards, okay. Team A, Team B, Team C, Team D, okay. You can give them points. So it's quite fun, very interactive, okay, and you can have a lot of fun with these lessons. Very straightforward. This is a basic tutorial on how to use the Big English. Okay. Once again, if I click in the folder, just go to Start PC. Okay. Lastly, click to skip the intro. Don't save my work. Start. There's your book. Maximize the window, and you're ready to go. Thanks for watching. Good luck.